the way that Spanish grammar works, the fundamental structure is based on verbs, okay? So verbs are actions, okay? To test if a word is a verb or not, all you do is try to see if you can put to before the word or put ing after it. Run, for example. You can say to run, right? To run. Because you can say to run, you know that run is a verb, right? Or you can also test the ing, which is if you put ing after run, you get running. And so that's how you can sort of test if a word is a verb or not, right? And so if you said, for example, apple, to apple isn't a verb, right? To apple doesn't work. There's no such thing. Likewise, appling isn't a thing either. So apple is not a verb. It's in this case a noun, a thing, right? In Spanish, the way you find out if words are verbs or not is if they end in either three endings, okay? If it ends in ar, or ir, and this works for 99% of cases, basically, okay? These three endings are separated into two groups. The first group is ar, and the other group is ir. What this means is each group will behave in its own way, okay? And when I talk about behavior, we're talking about how you bend or change the verb, aka conjugation, which we'll get to in a bit. So if you're just starting out, I'd highly recommend checking out the Speedy Spanish Roadmap. It's a free course I created to help you start learning Spanish with these methods, and you'll find it in the first link in the description.